Now, intermittent fasting. So, what is intermittent fasting? I believe you have already heard about intermittent fasting 1,000 times on, Facebook, YouTube, and whatever channels, Instagram or wherever it is. Articles may be padha hoga. But intermittent fasting is already been introduced to us ages back. Ages back. We do this as Indians. We do intermittent fasting all the time, whether it's Ekadashi ka vrat or Varalakshmi ka vrat or whatever festival it is, Diwali, Dashera, we do intermittent fasting always. Mahashivratri, we do the whole day fasting. So there are intermittent fasting has been part of our life from very long back actually. So we know everything about intermittent fasting, but we didn't know that it was designed for humans to be fit and also to lose fat once in a while and detoxify also. So intermittent fasting is like a superpower which gives you the control over your hunger cravings and which induces autophagy. Autophagy means delaying aging. It produces certain hormones through which your damaged cells are going to get repaired, and your skin is going to get more healthier, hair is going to get more healthier, luscious, and you are not going to get early graying. These are all the things which are not going to happen. Your vision is going to improve and your cognition levels are going to improve. These are all the benefits of intermittent fasting. And in the MAD lifestyle, it's very important part, because MAD lifestyle is all about putting all those tools together and make it a super power. It's like a mahastra of gods through which we are going to lose fat. This is what is a MAD lifestyle. I cannot say enough about MAD lifestyle because I did see all the differences in my life which made it's only about it's not only about my fat loss, but also my journey towards this sugar swap and everything. The family has been affected, my life, my professional life, my personal life, everything has been affected. So this is what is MAD lifestyle. So let's not get diverted. Let's understand about types of intermittent fasting, right? So there are 9 types of intermittent fasting. One is overnight fasting, one is 16 to 8 fasting, one is alternate day fasting, one is a 5:2 diet and spontaneous meal skipping, 20:4 fasting, OMAD, 24-hour fasting, 36-hour fasting. So it's not about all the other types of things we are talking about here. Just to make it simple, if you are a beginner, just start with 12 to 12-hour fasting. What does 12 to 12-hour fasting mean? That means you are fasting for 12 hours and eating between the other 12 hours, right? It's not that we are going to eat all the during the day, but it's about certain timings which we are also going to discuss later in the workshop, right? So if you are a beginner, start with 12 to 12. But if you have been already doing this and if you are comfortable, then the best one is 16 to 8. This alternate day fasting doesn't work, guys. Please don't do that. So 16 to 8 fasting is the best fasting window, and that is it works wonders. So 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating window, right? 16 hours of fasting window and 8 hours of eating window. So whatever you eat, whenever you are hungry, you are going to eat between the 8 hours window only. Say you are starting your first meal of the day at 12 p.m. right? So 12 p.m. if you have your first meal, and then you have your last meal of the day at 8 p.m. and you have to close it. That's it. You should not eat anything after 8 p.m. or before 12 p.m. Did you get it? I hope you get it. If you have any doubts, please do write in the comment section, because I'm going to answer them, right? So this is what it is. The most popular one is this one, the 16 to 8 one. The 20 to 4 hour fasting is only for the people who are experts, and that's a 1 meal a day plan. That's a wonderful plan, and I'm also currently on that. I just have my mat chai in the morning and mat chai in the evening, and only 1 meal, but the meal has to be full of nutrition, and it has to be balanced plate, right? So 1 meal a day also works wonders, but if you are a beginner, do not get there directly, because you're going to change your way very fast. So let's get gradually into that. So 16 to 8 is the window you're going to fasting in intermittent fasting window, which you are going to follow, right? So this is the types of intermittent fasting.